welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today we are going to solve mensuration exercise 23B sums. Find the area of the rhombus if its diagonals are 30 cm and 24 cm. Okay, we need to find the area of the rhombus. Okay, children, first we will understand the properties of rhombus. In rhombus, the length of all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are, these two are parallel and these two are parallel. Okay. So now we need to find the area of rhombus. The formula for finding out the area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Product of diagonals. Half into product of diagonals is the formula for finding out the area of rhombus. In the above question, they have given d1 is equal to, that is diagonal as, they are given two values for diagonal. So, I am taking d1 equal to 30 cm and d2 is equal to 24 cm. Half into d1 is nothing but this AC into d2 is nothing but this dB. Okay. So, substitute the values 30 into 24. Cancel out 2. You will get 15. Okay. 15 into 24 is 360 centimeter square. Rhombus is 112 centimeter square and one of its diagonal is 14 centimeter. Find its other diagonal. They have given the area as 112 centimeter square and one of the diagonal they have given as 14 centimeter. We need to find the other diagonal. Okay, so we can use the same formula. Area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals d1 into d2, right? So we are, from the above formula we know the area as 112 centimeter square and we know one of the diagonal is 14. From this we can find the other diagonal. Okay, so we'll get 2 into, you take the new numbers into other side and keep the d2 in this side. Okay, diagonal 2, take 2 to the other side. So 2 into 112, this 14 comes down, divided by 14. Cancel out with 2. 2 one time, 2 7 time. And cancel out with 7. 7 one time is 7. 8 9 10 3. Sorry 4. 42. So 7 into 6 times is 42. So the d2 value is 16 centimeter. So the diagonal of other diagonal of rhombus is 16 centimeter. This is the answer for the above question. Next question. One side of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its area is 153 centimeter square. Find the distance of the given side from its opposite side. In the above question, they have given area as 153 centimeter square and they also have given one side of a parallelogram. So that is nothing but the base. Base is 18 centimeter. And the question is, find the distance of the given side from its opposite side. This is the opposite side. Okay, this side we need to find the value of this side. Okay. So there is another formula. Area is equal to area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay. So from this we know the area of the parallelogram as 153 and base we know as 18 and height we doesn't know. So write it as h. So from this we can find out height, right? 153 divided by 18. These both numbers will be divisible by 3. So cancel out with 3. 3 into 6 times is 18. 3 into 5 times is 15 and 3 one time is 3. Again these both numbers will be divisible by 3. So cancel out with 3. 3 two times and 3 one time is 3. 3 into 21. 3 sevens are 21. So when you divide 17 divided by 2 you will get 8.5 centimeter. If you want to clarify with the divisibility rules, please follow my previous previous video in rules of divisibility. Next question. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 15 cm and 10 cm. If the distance between the longer sides is 6 cm, find the distance between the shorter sides. This is the parallelogram, and they have given the adjacent side of a parallelogram. So these AB and BC are the adjacent side of a parallelogram. So AB is 15 cm and BC is 10 cm. If the distance between the longer side is 6 cm. So in a parallelogram, here AB and DC are the longer side. So distance between the longer side is this DL. That they have given as 6 cm. We need to find the distance between the shorter side. Here the shorter side is AD and BC. So the distance between the shorter side is DM. This height we need to find. Okay, this is the DM, we need the length of the DM we need to find out. Okay, first given AB is equal to, which is nothing but base, which is equal to 15 cm, and DL, which is nothing but height, that they have given as 6 cm. Okay, from this we can find the area of the parallelogram with the formula area is equal to base into height. So here base is 15 cm into height is 6. So we will get 15 into 6 is 90 cm square. Okay, so area of the parallelogram is equal to 90 cm square. So we know the formula area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay, so we know the area as 90, but this time for base and height we are going to substitute BC as the base. So this time, so BC, this I am going to take it as a base. So 10 into height is DM, which we don't know. Okay, from this we can find out the length of DM. 90 divided by 10 equal to DM. So DM will equal to 9 cm. Cancel out 0, 0. You will get DM equal to 9 cm. So height of the distance between the shorter side, that is DM, is equal to 9 cm. So distance between the shorter side is equal to 9 cm. This is the answer for the above question. Next question. The area of a rhombus is 84 cm square and its perimeter is 56 cm. Find its height. Here they have given the area as 84 and perimeter also they have given as 56 cm. We need to find the height. Okay, we need to find the height of the rhombus. The property of rhombus is all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay, since all the length of all the sides are equal, we are going to use a formula for perimeter as perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Okay, because in rhombus it is similar to square, all the length of all the sides are equal. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Given perimeter is 56 centimeters. 56 is equal to 4 into side. From this we can find out the side of the rhombus. Okay, so 56 divided by 4 will give the side. When you cancel out with 4 you get 14. Okay, so side is equal to 14 centimeter. So we have found out the length of each side as 14 centimeter. Okay, now we need to find the height. So using the area formula we can find the height. Area is equal to base into height, which is equal to base is, here the base is 14 and they have given the area as 84. But height we don't know, right? So substitute as h. From this we can find the height. So h is equal to 84 divided by 14. When you cancel out with 2 you will get 2 7s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, again 7 into 6 times is 42. So height h is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the answer for the above question.